Hello everyone, hope you're well. So today let's talk about are mangoes safe for people with diabetes or pre-diabetic stages. People normally think about mangoes are too sweet for people with diabetes. What if I told you new research came out which says opposite? Hi, my name is Matloob and I'm a pharmacist with many years of experience. I'm passionate about health and lifestyle. So today let's dive deeper into the mangoes pros and cons related to the diabetes. Mangoes are the most loved fruits of subcontinent. India alone produces nearly half of the world mangoes. Pakistan and Bangladesh are also among the top 5 producers of mangoes. Globally, more than 50 million tons of mangoes are grown every year. So if you have not already tried Pakistani or Indian mangoes, you are missing out. They are a real treat. Give them a go. They are still available. Season is still going on. For millions of us, mangoes aren't just fruits. They are part of the culture. But what about people with diabetes and pre-diabetes? Can they enjoy the mango safely? That's what this video is all about. For years, people with diabetes have been warned to avoid mangoes because they are very sweet. But a recent BBC News article highlighted Indian studies that challenges this old wisdom. These studies suggest that mangoes, when eaten correctly, may not only be safe, but they could also improve blood sugar level, weight, and even cholesterol levels. Before I dive deeper, a quick note. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done that already. It really helps the channel to grow and that means well to me. Please hit the subscribe button before we proceed further. Thank you. So let's look into the key finding of this Indian studies about the mangoes. In the first study with 95 participants, including diabetics, eating 250 grams of mango like safada, dashuri and langda caused lower or equal blood sugar spikes compared to white breads. And sugar fluctuation called MAGE, which basically finds out how much your sugar levels are fluctuating, were actually lower after eating mangoes. In the second study with 35 people with type 2 diabetes, replaced their usual breakfast bread with 250 grams of mango every day for 8 weeks. The results? Fasting blood sugar dropped, HbA1c improved by 0.9%, insulin resistance got better, people lost about 2 kilograms of weight, their waistline shrank, and the good cholesterol, which is the HDL, high density lipoprotein, went up. So these results are very surprising. So that raises the question, why mango work better than expected? So why do mango perform better than most of the people think? Number one, mangoes have lower glycemic index, about 51, compared to white bread, which has around 70 to 75. Number two, they are rich in fiber. Fiber plays a major role, and they're rich with antioxidant and nutrients like vitamin A and C and folate, copper and carotenoids. All of these support metabolic health. So that basically helps to keep the sugar level or glucose levels under control. And number three, in the studies, mango were used to replace refined carbs, not added on top. That means calories stayed controlled and people felt fuller. So these are the key main factors which help to get these results. So these were the results from the study carried out in India. So these results were not just from India. A very well health review in 2025 found that up to 280 grams of mango daily can actually improve blood sugar and blood pressure. A study from Illinois Studies of Technology showed that overweight adults eating 2 cups of mango a day improve insulin sensitivity, even without weight loss. Nutritionists, including in the Times of India, confirmed that mangoes have a low glycemic index and do not directly cause diabetes or weight gain if eaten in moderation. So bear in mind, moderation is the key. So if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, here is how to safely enjoy mangoes. Portion control. About 250 grams or 1 small mango per day, it's safe. Replace. Don't add or swap it for bread, rice or another carbs, because these are very refined carbs. Pair with protein or healthy fat, combined with curd, yogurt or nuts, slow sugar absorption. That will help to decrease the spike in the glucose level. Time is very important as well. Eat earlier in the day or eat it before or after any kind of exercise or any activity. Monitor yourselves, track your sugar response, and consult your doctor if you see any kind of huge fluctuation in the sugar levels. So in the end, here is the big picture. Mangoes are not forbidden fruit for diabetics or pre-diabetic people. In fact, they can be smart, nutrients-rich alternative to refined carbs, but if eaten wisely. Please follow those 3 advices which I've given to you to eat mangoes safely. So yes, you can enjoy your mangoes. Just remember, moderation, timing, and balance are the keys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please watch other videos I've made on how to control the insulin and sugar spikes. They will be very helpful if you follow.